Hey everyone, Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. I'm going to give you a little bit of a sneak peek on something brand new in our toy hauler floor plan family. This is a 45 FB that we're going to be bringing to Hershey. So I'm going to step into here, take a look at that paint job. We're going to be at our Hershey meet and greet the 17th through the 20th. And that is at the AACA Car Museum in Hershey, Pennsylvania. So get on our website. Don't waste any time booking your spot. If you get on our home page, there's a little green button there that says Save Spot. You click that, it'll go to a page that explains everything, where we're at, the times, the dates, everything you need to know. So let's take a look inside here. This is a 10-foot garage. It's got a TV in it. It's got two twins. This is a twin-size bunk system. It's got a loft. I'm not going to show you everything because I don't want to give everything away. They're in the process of getting everything cleaned up. The furniture's in. Everything is in. Just needs to have a cleanup. But look at the space. Very unusual to have this large of a living space in a toy hauler. Just beautiful. Just beautiful. So hey, don't waste this time to give us a visit at our Hershey meet and greet so you can see this beautiful toy hauler. I'm gonna head up into the bedroom real quick. This is your bathroom. Bedroom, washer and dryer. You can option the washer and dryer in the garage area. You can also put a half bath, even a full bath into that garage area. It's very flexible. So hey, get on our website, book your spot for our Hershey meet and greet, and we'll see you down there. I'm looking forward to it. So give us a call or just book your spot. 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com.